Yeah. All right, just getting back into the office today. Crazy day at court. All right, I'm going to do a quick video about this. I was in court today, and I found myself in the same courtroom as rapper Tekashi 6ix9ine. Close with some of the guards in there, so they let me know, yo, 6ix9ine's in the building. There's an arraignment going on. You might want to check. The lawyer came up there, and he said, yo, they're trying to deny bail, saying that 6ix9ine is a threat. But really, what happened in this case is that on Friday, the feds came to 6ix9ine, and they said to him that he should come into custody for protection because there's threats on his life. So 6ix9ine's lawyer was making an argument that my client's not the threat. The feds admitted that the threat is actually on 6ix9ine's life, and so he should get bail. He's not a threat to the community. When the judge confronted the feds over that information, the feds explained why they believed there was a threat on 6ix9ine's life, and they said they had a wiretap up on some of the people that 6ix9ine was working with, some of the other defendants in this case. And those people, the ones who 6ix9ine fired, had indicated on that wiretap, text messages and calls, that they were going to go get 6ix9ine. The feds actually quoted what was said, and they say, yo, we're going to violate this guy. We're going to, quote, super violate him. So hashtag super violate, man. That was real crazy when I heard that. Some of the other crazy stuff we heard about how much people got in their bank accounts. Shadi was in there, and they put it out there that he has $60,000 in his account. 6ix9ine's accounts had 1.7 million. His lawyer offered to put every penny up, and bail still got denied, which was crazy. I saw 6ix9ine's head right before the judge was about to give his verdict. The thing went on for about 40 minutes, and the judge kind of sat there quietly, and he was thinking about it, thinking about all the arguments he had just heard, and the whole courtroom fell silent. And I saw 6ix9ine kind of dip his head down, kind of like he was in prayer. And then when the judge started talking, he was listening very closely, and like he was in prayer. And then when the judge started talking, he was listening very closely. And then I just saw the look on his face when the judge denied bail, man. He was heartbroken. Interestingly, when 6ix9ine walked in that courtroom, he was shivering. He was shook. He was really scared. He looked like he had been shivering probably the whole time that he's been locked up and holding. Heart goes out to the kid, man. I hope he can get through this crazy day in court. Stay tuned. I'm going to try to get y'all some more updates on that case. I'm actually going to be in the Eastern District of New York where El Chapo's trial is going on. So I might even get an update on that. At Lawyer for Workers, we're not just talking about unpaid overtime. We give you some good...
So let this be a lesson to y'all, man. Let this be a real life lesson, man. Tekashi, you know what I'm saying? He took the L for everybody, bro. If you ain't about that life, don't pretend like you about that life, man, because some real people gonna check you, and they're gonna bring some real issues to your front door. Now, 6ix9ine he was a wankster, man. He wasn't no real gangster, man. He was a wankster, man. He was, you know what I'm saying, basically he had money and he had a mouth. That's it. But I guarantee, you know what I'm saying, once the whole crew was gone, ain't no trolling. He ain't trolling by himself. He ain't trolling by himself. Who we trolling with right now? Shaking and shivering. Because when you go to jail and when you go to prison and they talking real time and you know what I'm saying, you was a little dude and you ain't got it like that, man, these dudes will eat you alive, man. How you washing their drawers and braiding their hair in prison. See, y'all let me know, man. Is he blood in or blood out? Y'all drop a comment on my video, man. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe on the videos, and I'll peep y'all on the next one. Holla.